Okay, year nine, just the second part of that sexy planning because I didn't quite get up onto the why in that last one. So remember, we have our descriptions here, our statements, and they come from all the descriptions that you did about that first keyword on the question. Then we have the specific examples from the film, screenshots, or dialogue that goes into the examples. Then my explain, remember that links to the example, which is reflected in the statement. And I'm going to talk about Joseph Campbell's and which stage the example and the statement belong to from the hero's journey. And I'm going to give a really good explanation of that hero's journey and how it links back to my example and to my statement. So the Y link here, or the U link, this is when you look at the characteristics that you had talked about on that statement and you think about, that, for example, how he's isolated or yearning to discover. You think about what that might feel like. So it's really your own interpretation there of what that might feel like. How did that character learn from that experience? How have you learned from that experience? And you don't do the same thing with the second one. When he lost his mentor, he was sad. So you take that emotion there and you say, well, how do people overcome sadness? How would a hero overcome sadness? What have I learned about overcoming sadness from that hero? And then that third one that we change, that he's got brave, that he's got confidence. What have you learnt about braveness and confidence in terms of the hero that you are studying in your hero's journey? So that's that part there where you can really identify with the character and say what the director has or that character has taught you. So that's the body parts of your paragraphs done. In the next two sessions, what I would like to do is explain to you the O task and the taxi so we can finish off that planning and then you can begin writing your essay like a real champ with no problems.